Hello again, it's Mrs. Heskett here with another tutorial on Quizizz. Okay, so to get back to the Quizizz game/test review that you made with your questions, you're going to have to type in Quizizz, only one Z the first time, two Z's the second time, .com, and then /profile. You don't want anything after that, just log in like that. And it automatically brought me to my student profile that I made yesterday. Now you can go, if you just go to Quizizz and don't put in the profile, it won't let you. They'll let you play your game that you made and many others, but it will not let you find your game code. So go down to that test you made, the quiz, and it should have your first name and then Chapter 5 test review. Click on that, and then instead of going to live game, you want to go to homework game. So click on homework game. And now you can scroll down. This doesn't really, you can leave that. Show games, show answers in-game, yes. You can leave your leaderboard. Show answers post-game, that's on as well. Go ahead and, since this is math and takes a little longer, go ahead and click the timer off. Shuffle questions. It's up to you if you want music or not. Now here's a fun thing. You can switch up the memes at the end. So once you get all those done, then you want to hit, and you can have your game go for, let me say until February 22nd. Put it out a couple days from where you need to. I'm going to hit host game, and then it brings me to this site. Okay, since you do not have the ability to share on Classroom, you'll need to take a post-it note and write down this game code, and then we'll trade game codes so you guys can all play someone else's game, quiz game. And up here it'll say your homework game is running, and there's the deadline. And that's about all. Happy quizzing!